You've been told to eat clean and work out, but why are you still exhausted, inflamed, and stuck at that same weight? Let's be honest, most people are chasing health the hard way. They're dieting harder, they're training longer, they're sleeping less, and you're wondering why they keep burning out?
They're trying to build fitness on a broken foundation. You can't do that. You can't outtrain imbalance. You can't supplement your way out of stress.
Yeah, in today's episode, we're going to break down the 5 phases: calibration, commitment, courage, confidence, and finally celebration that turn getting fit into a lifelong rhythm. All right, most people are reacting to symptoms instead of leading their health. They bounce between diets and trends and the 30-day challenges and the TikTok hacks, but there is no structure that sustains them.
Exactly. That's the chaos that drains their nervous system. It wrecks their hormones and it makes consistency basically impossible. The answer isn't about another quick fix, it's calibration.
Yeah, it's so true. Calibration. So, what's calibration? It's about awareness, it's understanding your body signals before you change anything.
So that's like tracking energy highs, your lows, your sleep quality, your digestion for about 7 days a week.
Yeah, it's understanding your root causes. What's really happening there? You want to remove any stimulants and processed foods, for at least 74 hours, just to hear your body again.
And another one is hydrate and increase the mineral intake to rebalance your internal rhythm.
Yeah, a lot of people think just drinking water or drinking coffee satisfies as water. No, you want well
Or
hydrated water,
iced tea.
mineralized water. Yeah, iced tea, sweet tea here in the South. But this is where most people realize it's not the plan that's failed them. It's really the feedback that they've been ignoring.
But that's the awareness alone. It isn't enough. There's the next step that separates dabblers from those who transform.
Yeah. So the first step, you gotta definitely do a recalibration to find out where you are. Because if you don't know where you are, how can you know where you're gonna go? The next thing is you have to make a not only decision, but you have to make a commitment. And this is where you stop negotiating with your goals or you're all in.
Yeah. So you pick one focus, right? One
Yeah.
nutritional focus and one movement pattern. Just simplify it. Don't make it so complex
Simple
or
stuff.
pressure yourself.
100%. Yeah. Just nice and simple. You want to schedule your meals and workouts in your calendar, like meetings that just can't be moved.
Non negotiable.
Non negotiable self care time.
Yeah. And build accountability, right? You utilize your family, a coach, your community, journal.
It helps so much. Get around people who will support you and will push you along. You don't want anybody to pull you back under the water. A good trainer or a good friend may see you kind of sinking, not sinking, getting water in your mouth, but they pull you, rescue you from the pool because they say,
Yes.
you know what, I'm not going to let you drown.
They're not going to enable you either. One little cheat meal is not going to hurt you. So,
I love it. Yeah. The body does love a rhythm, right? Because
mhm.
consistency, it's where it rewires the whole biology, the brain just faster than intensity. It's small, little, consistent steps over time.
Commitment feels heavy until you have the courage to show up.
Yeah. A lot of times people don't have the energy to even do this. This is
Hmm.
why we came up with a 5-day challenge. How to crush fatigue in 5 days, how you can show up with your best self and just feel good again. That way you can begin to start making these changes. But after all, without any energy, you have no health. Without health, there is no wealth.
That's right. We here, right?
Yeah. And down below in the comments, we'll leave a link. That way you can join us before our next class close because they are limited. We work with you live one on one for 5 days. It's that simple. It's pretty, really, really cool. So click the link.
Okay.
All right. Next phase is courage.
Mm.
Yes.
Do you have the courage?
Well, so you know what courage is? That's when the growth gets real. So courage means not only facing discomfort without quitting, but also taking your commitment and get into action.
So it's pushing you in training, right? Pushing you along and just having that strength, but not at the expense of your recovery.
Yes, that bridge. You gotta go from your brain to actually doing it. So you maybe practice some cold exposure, some fasting, some silence, and is good for training the mental resilience.
Hmm.
It's doing the action.
Redefine failure. It's data. It's not defeat.
Feedback, 100% what it is. And this is when most people want to quit. Remember, courage will compound into the next thing, which is
Mm.
confidence.
Yes. Who doesn't want to feel confident in your body, right? Confidence is an earned repetition, right? It's proof that you can trust yourself.
I was just on a tiny challenge call with a client, and he was talking about, I just need structure. That gives me confidence to do it over and over and over
Yeah.
again. And the thing is, when you have that structure, you're able to track your wins, whether it's better sleep, stronger lifts, longer walks, calmer mornings.
Keep refining your plan. Small 1% tweaks. Just try your best.
Sharpen the pencil.
Yeah.
Start teaching what you learn, because that reinforces everything that you've acquired. And nothing builds confidence like contribution.
That's right. Don't rush to the finish line. Don't rush. A celebration is it's its own medicine. Take your time and do this right.
And celebration is the step number 5. And this isn't about, oh, yay, I'm doing so good, I'm going to cheat on a meal.
No,
It's about reflection, patting yourself on the back and saying, you know what, this feels pretty good. I'm going to keep on going.
that's right. Revisit your starting point and recognize the person you've become.
Exactly.
You go forward.
Transformation you've gone through.
Right.
Yeah, totally. And then when you start to celebrate, pat on the back, you get to anchor your new identity. You're no longer the old person. You're this new person, and you're growing, and you get to just appreciate with gratitude and just service.
That's right. And when you have that gratitude, you'll have that joy. Joy is the ultimate recovery tool.
I love how you said that. That's
you.
really good.
Thank you.
But that, my friends, that's how health becomes a lifestyle and not a project. That's how anything becomes a lifestyle and not a project.
So imagine waking up with energy that lasts from sunrise to sunset. A clear mind, a strong body, and steady emotions.
No, but seriously, that's what happens when you're aligned with your biology, with purpose.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's
So
right.
the 3 key takeaways is that calibration creates an awareness, which you need.
That's right.
The second thing, commitment and courage, that's going to create the momentum to get going and push through.
And what's the third one?
The third thing is that confidence and celebration, that creates a sustainability where you can do it and create that lifestyle.
That's right. It is a lifestyle. Don't go backwards. Always go forward. You can do this.
So remember, without energy, these habits are just theory. In fact, you need energy to get going, and this will create even more energy. It's a snowball effect. And you need it to fuel to make your lifestyle a reality. Join the Crush the Fatigue in 5-Day Challenge. The link will be below, most likely in the comments, to start your calibration phase the right way.
That's right. Until next time, be well.
Okay, take care.
Search for and insert up to 7-10 short, visually relevant stock B-roll clips, each under 15 seconds, at key moments in your video. Place these clips at natural transitions or where the script would benefit from visual enhancement.